Welcome. If you want to control when Facebook can access your location, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable the Ask Every Time option for location permissions on Facebook. This way, Facebook will always request your approval before using your location, giving you more privacy and control. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is where you manage all your app permissions and privacy controls. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or App Management, depending on your phone model. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now scroll through your apps list and find Facebook. Once you spot it, tap on the Facebook app to open its settings. Inside the Facebook app settings, look for the Permissions option. Tap on Permissions to see all the different types of access Facebook has on your device, like your camera, contacts, and of course, your location. Now, tap on Location. Here, you'll see several options for how Facebook can use your location. To make sure Facebook asks every time before accessing your location, select the option labeled Ask Every Time. This setting means that whenever Facebook wants to use your location, you'll get a prompt and can decide whether to allow it just for that moment. And that's it. You've successfully set Facebook to request your permission each time it needs your location. This is a great way to keep your privacy in check while still enjoying location-based features like check-ins, marketplace, and local recommendations. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and pick a different option. Remember, keeping control over your location data is an important part of managing your privacy online. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Have a question or need more help? Drop a comment below.